Yo, LiveGood is one of the hottest online business opportunities right now. A lot of people in the industry is talking about LiveGood. You even got some LiveGood haters out there that's like, oh no, it's trash, whatever. But a lot of people is making money with LiveGood. But with that being said, you also got people like, yo, this is a dope opportunity, but I think I missed it. I don't think there's no way that I can get any referrals to LiveGood, man. The shit just saturated. It's just too saturated. Well, I want you to take a look at this. All right, I'm in my email. Now check this out. This from last night. You see the LiveGood, right? Bam. Says congratulations, Angela just upgraded. So let me click on this right here. Bam. See that? Congratulations. One of your referrals joined LiveGood as a member and an affiliate. All right, that's the email right there. We keeping it moving. All right, so right there you can see like people still are learning about LiveGood. There is so much opportunity out there for everybody. So if you're watching this right now, you can get started today. You can start referring and introducing LiveGood because there's millions of people, millions and millions. But there's millions of people who have not heard about LiveGood. All right, so they can hear about it from you. So if you want to get started with LiveGood and jump on the team, click that link in the description and let's go.